Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to log out Facebook from all devices at once. So let's see. The very first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your Facebook app. And go ahead and click on your profile icon. Go ahead and click on this three slider. Scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on settings and privacy. Go ahead and click on settings. Proceed to account center. Proceed to password and security. Go ahead and click on where you were logging. Select your Facebook account. So here we go. You have all your account login activity right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on select device to log out. Here you go. You will be logged out of your account on all selected devices. We will help you secure your account in case you see a login you don't recognize. So if you find out that is some of unrecognized devices right here, what you need to do is to go ahead and click on here to check the device that is not recognized. Then go ahead and click on logout right here. Are you sure you will no longer be logging on the selected device? Go ahead and click on logout and you will be logged out on that particular device. It's that simple. For more tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.